What is motion? Motion is a change in the position of an object with respect to the reference point.
The primary cause of motion is force. Force can change in direction, speed, shape, texture, and condition.
There are 6 types of common forces: the normal force, the gravitational force, tension force, frictional force, external force, and unbalanced force.
Normal force. The normal force is the force exerted upon an object that is in contact with other stable object.
Force gravity. The force of gravity is the force with which the Earth, Moon, or other massively large objects attracts another object towards itself.
The tension force is the force that is transmitted through a string, rope, cable, or wire when it is pulled tight by forces acting from opposite ends.
Friction force. The friction force, also known as antagonistic force, is the force exerted by a surface as an object have across it or makes an effort to move across it. External forces are forces caused by external agents outside of the system.
So if this table is the normal force, then my hand is the external force. In physics, net force is the overall force acting on an object.
In order to calculate the net force, the body is isolated in interaction with the environment or other constraints or are representative forces and torques in a free body diagram.
If my right hand has a force of 5 newtons and my left hand is 4 newtons, then the object will travel on my left side, since my right hand has a greater force and the net force will be 1 newton. But if both sides have the same force, the net force will be 0.
The formula of getting the F net is F sub 1 plus F sub 2. The 5 newtons is going to the east side and the negative 4 newtons is going to the west side. Because the other one is opposing the side of the other one, you will need to subtract it. So the F net is 1 newton.
There are 2 ways to express forces: non-contact force and contact forces. Contact force is expressed when you exert force by touching it or make a contact on it, like pushing and pulling.
Non-contact force is a force that you can't see, like gravitational force, magnetic force, and electrical force.
What is motion? Motion, a change. What is motion? Motion, a change in the position of... What is motion? A change. What is motion? Motion, a change in the position of an object with respect to the reference point.
The force.
1, 2,
The normal.
1, 2, 3, go na! Balik ka
Ay, edit lagi ko ni.
Madala na muna.
The force of gravity is the force with which Earth, Moon, or other massively large objects attracts another object toward itself. Wala pala kalabasa ko yung
Go!
friction. The friction.
In physics, net force is the overall force acting on an object.
In order to calculate the net force, the body is isolated in the interaction with the environment or other constraints are represented as the forces and torques in a free body diagram.
Go!
The formula of F net is F sub 1 plus F sub 2. Example, my... putol kay bay. Kira?
Dili.
Yeah,
Delete.